Hi, I'm Kevin Roy. You may recognize me from my video series, Efficient and Proficient. I am a Journeyperson welder with 18 years of experience, the last 3 of which I've been foreman at my shop. I'm here to show you today how to build some park bench legs to get you more involved with your local community and give back. For fabricating these bench legs, I'm going to be using a variety of hand tools, like my angle grinder, some drill bits, and a tri-square. These legs are going to be fabricated out of 2 by 1/4 flat bar. We're also going to be using carriage bolts to hold the wood on, and wedge anchors to leg it down. So this project can be a bit intimidating, but with a good layout, everything will become clear. So I've used my layout here to determine the length of my bar, and then I've transferred marks for the boards, marks for the holes, and marks for the bends. Keep in mind, depending on the wood you're going to use, this hole spacing will change. You can also go with heavier flat bar, but I suggest not going any lighter than 1/4. When using a center punch, you want to hit it hard and you want to hit it once. So right here where my line got a little fat, my center punch mark isn't quite where it needs to be. I'll show you quickly how to move that over. I want to bring this hole slightly over. I'll put my punch just on the edge of that material and strike it again. What that's done is forced that material into the old hole, putting it where I want. There are many ways of putting holes inside of steel. For the purpose of this video, we'll be using a drill press. You could use a plasma, you could use oxyacetylene, or you could always do it with a hand drill. Now that I've got 1 bar drilled, I'm going to be using it as a template for my next bar. I'll put it on top, tack them together, and go back to the drill press. Now that I've got both bars drilled, I'll grind these tacks off and break them apart. For the lower section of these legs, I'm going to repeat the process. When I tack these tabs on, I'll be putting my tacks on the same side of this bar. That way when I'm done, I can just bust them off. This is what I mean by just knocking off the tabs. What I'm going to do now is add a tab to my 2 other inside bends. Since the lower section of these bench legs only have 2 bends in them, I've marked them out and set up a simple jig. I'm going to take this piece out of the jig now and let that corner cool, because when I move to my next bend, I don't want to affect my first bend. Now we're back to the cool piece to focus on the next bend. Now we're going to combine the bottom section and the top section together. If you'll notice, I left one an inch shorter than the other to create a nice slope to sit in. If after bending these aren't perfect, that's okay, as long as both sides are the same. Always remember to knock off any spatter, deburr, and round your corners. You wouldn't want anyone getting cut on your product. Now that we've got our legs fabricated, we could paint them, we could powder coat them. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to put them together. Right here I've got some pine slats, which I'll cut down to 4 feet and bolt them in. So if you're going to use a soft lumber like pine, I wouldn't suggest going over 4 feet. If you want to go over 4 feet, you should make another set of brackets. So the reason I'm using a carriage bolt, 1, it has a nice finish, and 2, this nice square section is going to grip the wood and stop it from spinning. Once you've got the wood on, you have a bench. I did want to point out that the carriage bolts that I had are too long. If that happens to you, make sure you trim those down. You don't want those sticking out. To lag this bench down to concrete, we'll be using a wedge anchor. They call it a wedge anchor because it has a little collar on the bottom and a wedge. So as it creates tension, that collar pulls down and you'll be able to tighten it. To drill concrete, you'll need a masonry bit. What makes this bit different is it has a carbide on the tip. Thank you very much for watching this video about how to build a park bench. The Prints will be available in the link below. When you build one of these, please make sure to tag CWB in your post.